Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 12th of May 2022. Cryptos have continued sliding, albeit we have seen a bounce throughout the European trading session and hours so far today. But BTC was trading down around 8% earlier on, just a few hours ago, down touching the 26,000 level. Since breaking the crucial 40k and 38k levels, we've been pointing out as in line with the 30k handle being a very important level. But before that, if you recall, we were discussing those longer term trend lines, the first one being the up channel, and then the second one being the longer term trend line from back on the lows of last year. After both of them have gone, it's been basically all selling, all downside, a lot of red on the charts, and not looking too pretty. You can see this bounce that we've seen though intraday so far, moving us back, just trying to hold on to the previous daily low. But of course, it's going to be quite important here to see if they hold on to that, and if they can see. We have seen these crypto reversals, of course, where you've seen some sharp moves to the downside like this, but then they've put in a huge, enormous reversal to end the day green. Is it going to be heading that way? Volatility is huge. There's a lot of leverage longs still out there. If you were to enter the crypto chat room, for example, you're going to be able to see some of the comments from one of the traders on our desk, Charles, just highlighting the volume, the 2-to-1 ratio of longs to shorts. 1.3 billion worth of leverage longs have been closed in the past 2 weeks, basically. So where do we head to from here? Well, like I just mentioned, if they do hold on to this previous daily low, quite important, then we can start to consider moving back into 30. Other than that, my next downside levels, I mean, there's not too much in the way of support. I'm looking all the way back at the 24,000 handle, and then looking down to 21,000, which I think will attract quite a few sellers. Seeing as though it's been disclosed, that's the average price which MicroStrategy have bought all their BTC. So their balance sheet is actually down around 25% over the past few days. Whether or not that's good corporate governance or not, I'm not sure. So cryptos have been in free fall, nothing quite like what we've seen in Luna, the sister of the stable coin. I'm saying stable in hyphens because it's not been so stable. Basically, USDT, which is Terra coin, which has been basically trading sub $1. So it's meant to trade at 1-to-1 to the US dollar, but it's been moving downwards and actually traded below 50 cents to the dollar this morning. So quite a lot of large losses there. And also on Luna, which 2 weeks ago was in the top 10 crypto market cap, and is now 99.9% down from its most recent highs. 99.9% down, just quite an incredible move, and all of that market sentiment has just exacerbated what we've seen in the crypto space. Don't forget, you're also seeing selling in risk across the board with US tech and the like. US dollar seeing flow in. Remember, everything here is pegged against the US dollar, so you're seeing flow into the US dollar too, and basically everyone pulling out of crypto. Some of the cryptos are down quite substantially more than BTC. I mean, you look at Litecoin trading down at 60. Wasn't too long ago we were up at 120, so that's almost a 50 point. Well, I mean, that is a 50% move in the past couple of weeks. Almost think probably be around 45%. And the same with Ripple. You know, we were talking not long ago about the $1 handle. Doesn't seem too long ago. It's probably around a month. Now we're talking about 30 cents. Just incredible moves. Next support then for Ripple. Let's just look at here in particular. Bounced off a support level at 0.3345. So that's that important one to the downside. Overhead, a daily close back above 0.3870. You can start to look ahead into 0.4445. If they can't hold up 0.3345, my next level will be 0.2988 from there. BTC then we've covered. Let's have a quick check in on Ethereum, which has also been getting pretty ugly and selling off quite intensely and aggressively. We've been seeing moves sub 2000, touched 1700 this morning, quite an important level. So that's my downside target. Well, it's already been a target. You've seen some profit taking, I imagine, and that's why you're seeing this bid. Let's see what happens when US markets come online. You see most of the crypto volume done during US session times, and of course that correlation with US equities also quite important. So we're watching that quite closely, and if you join my US session brief shortly, you'll be able to see some comments on the Nasdaq, because the Nasdaq again is probably the leading market right now. You're seeing that correlation with Bitcoin and cryptos in general almost at 1-to-1. Pretty much it from mine. There's nothing else that I need to really talk about at this stage. If there is, I'll post it inside the chat room. Until next time, stay safe out there and all the best with your crypto trading. Bye for now.